It's even already and when I don't come. So here today with me I have G-Class, popular known as G-Wagon, Mercedes-Benz. See model. What is the problem? You can see this button is not working. Here it's not working. And customer also complain. He also complained about the brake light on the right side, which is working now. I've done it. So first of all, with my diagnosing machine, first of all, you can see the error that I'm getting. Communication with the interior rear view mirror is faulty. The message is lost, and this communication with the garage door opener is faulty. The message is lost. So with this message, it will be easy for me to fix the error. Can see? Not working. Not working. Not coming on. Okay. And on the cluster, you can see no message. No message. And this is AMG, that is 63 2014 model. Okay, you can see lost communication on the rear view mirror. You can see. So first of all, I have to open this switch, open the complete switch, and to open the switch there is a key down back here. When you press the key to open it, okay, the roof is working. Okay, so now you can see it's open already. First of all, this is the power control. I have to test it, be sure that there will be two positive lights there. You can see, and the second one. So this is this is the sensor that controls the door. Whenever you open the door, this one comes on. So this one is the steady light on the room interior roof light. So this one is for the roof, open roof. Okay, so the wire is actually working proper. Everything there okay for the wire. That's how. So we'll continue searching the error. Continue looking for the fault. And we'll get them, we'll get them, we'll go see them, we'll go see them, we'll go see them, we'll go see them. Oh, okay. Now one thing about Mercedes is that if one wire don't gauge like this, everything will just shut down. One wire just gauge like that, everything will just shut down about Benz. But as Neo Auto, we go solve them. Omo Jesu, for the sake of what I did, it's Sam, it's the work now. Sam. So now if I clear the problem, the fault now, automatically will go. Okay. You see, no fault dictated. Done there, okay. One hand. Listen. Done there, okay. You see, look at the back side. Done there, okay. So on everything comes together. So for the safety of my eye profession, I will not show you what I do. I'm not going to show you. Understand? So this customer is my tight customer. The guy just bring this car, come my garage, save him, boss. And see one car and try. And also this big man, if car get one or two issues, they fear. They will think that one serious issue. Understand? So, but I don't finish the car. So I'm done and everything's okay now. You can see the computer. Let's check. You can see no no for the dated. So I'm done and everything is okay. Actually see. It's okay. So, and all fault has gone. Let's check the fault service. So 0 fault. Okay, and also the brake light is working properly now. You can see the room light is off already. So the room light is off and on back. Off, on. So my work be that. Okay, thank you. Make sure they support us so by liking the video. That's how they support us.